When people search for any topic on YouTube, and when the search results show on YouTube, most of them prefer to watch a video from the channel which would have got the highest subscriber, because they would think this channel has a lot of subscribers. It means they have been creating quality content, which is also true, right? But does that mean the new emerging channels which might be having around 100 subscribers or 200 or 500 or 1000, does it mean that they are not creating quality videos? No, it's not right, right? Even these channels would have been creating great content and it would have a lot of value as well. But still, many of them may not be preferring thinking that, okay, this channel has only 100 or 500 subscribers. Maybe they might not have great content. No, that's the kind of thought many people may get. So in that case, one of the best things that you could do is hide your channel subscribers, so that when they come on a video, they just directly go and watch your video, right? So that's something that could help your channel to get more views as well. Okay, so I'm Sriram Benur and welcome to this channel. Now let's see how to do this. So you could see that it says A2C Arts and Crafts 10.2 lakh subscribers. Now let me show you how to hide this. So first log into YouTube. Once you log into YouTube, click on the icon that you see on the top right corner. Once you do that, click on YouTube Studio. Once you do that, you find a lot of options that are available in your studio. Just come down and click on settings. Once you click on settings, you find there are a lot of settings available here. You need to go to channel, because we are going to make settings at the channel level. Once you do that, just click on advanced settings. Just scroll down. Now you see here subscriber count. It says display the number of people subscribed to your channel. Now it is selected. Now because it is selected, we are seeing the number of subscribers on the particular channel. So what we need to do here is, we need to uncheck this, and once you uncheck, you just have to save it. Okay, so just click on save. Now that I have said unchecked it, I'm just going to click on save. Now that I have saved it, if I open YouTube channel right now, okay, my YouTube channel would not be showing the subscribers. Let me show you that right now. Let me just click on the channel. Now you could see that the number of subscribers are not shown on the channel. That's how you disable it. Sometimes it might take 10 minutes, 20 minutes or 30 minutes to affect the settings that would have been made. You can wait for 10 to 20 minutes if you are not seeing the changes that are made. Okay, so that's how we do it. Now you understood how to disable your channel subscribers. Let me tell you one most important thing here. Now say for example, you are a beginner with YouTube. You have very less subscribers, but if you have been getting great views, let's take for an example, you have around 500 subscribers, but for every video that you are uploading, you have been getting around 1000 or 2000 views or more. In that case, your channel is getting much more views than your subscribers, which is an indication that your channel has been doing really well. In that case, please don't hide your subscribers, because when people come to your channel and they see that, oh, this channel has only few subscribers, but they have been getting a lot of views, which indicates that maybe their content is really good, right? In that way, you could still be getting great views. Now, please hide only in circumstances where you have, say around a decent number of subscribers, but the views are comparatively less in the beginning. In that case, hide it. If not, please don't hide your subscribers. Now, should this be followed only by the emerging channels, or can this also be applicable for channels which have more number of subscribers? Say for example, a channel has maybe around 10,000 subscribers or a lakh subscribers. See, in that case, if you are having a lot of subscribers and if you are getting very less views, say for example, you have around 10,000 or 20,000 subscribers, but you are getting really less views, in that case also you could hide the subscribers. Okay, that is something that you could do as well. Thanks for watching. I believe this video was informative, and there is going to be a lot more informative videos like this which will be uploaded in this channel. If you're not already subscribed, please do subscribe, and just click on this info link to watch a complete playlist on how to grow your YouTube channel effectively. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions related to YouTube, just comment below. I'll be more than happy to answer. Take good care and see you in the next video.